In today's video, I will walk you through how to add handheld shake in CapCut. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open CapCut on your device. You can download it from the official CapCut website or install it from your App Store if you do not have it yet. Once you are inside the editor, create a new project or open an existing one where you want to apply the effect. Upload the video clip you want to work with and make sure it is placed on your timeline. This is the clip where the handheld shake effect will be applied. Next, look at the top menu inside CapCut and click on Effects. This will open the Effects panel where you can browse and search for different visual effects available in the platform. In the search bar, type Handheld Shake. This helps you quickly locate the specific effect without scrolling through all categories. Once you see the handheld shake effect in the results, click on it to preview how it looks on your video. When you are ready to apply it, click the plus sign. This will add the effect directly to your timeline. After adding it, you can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging its edges on the timeline so it matches the part of the video where you want the shake to appear. And that is how you add a handheld shake effect in CapCut.